Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new IQOO Z9s 5G. You can see, let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First let's open this. You can see here it's IQOO branding and Z is written on here, and at this side you will see IQOO branding is here, and you will see do not accept it if this seal is broken. And at the back side you will see here it's RAM and ROM 8 GB and 128 GB. It has two variants. I have ordered this in a titanium color, and it has second color also, green. Let's open this. And here it is, the headset. You can see friends. Let's open this, and you can see friends, here it's design. Let's keep it aside and let's check what it in the box. And here it is, the tray. And friends, you can see here it is warranty card, a quick start guide, you can read it. And you will see here it is a protective case for this IQOO smartphone mobile phone, and you can see it is dotted, and that is quite good for safety for mobile phone, for preventing for scratches or something. And here it gives 44 volt of fast charging adapter. You can see it's adapter 44 volt. And friends, here it is USB to type C charging cable, you can see. And here it is SIM ejector tool. Let's back on to open the mobile phone and keep it inside. And friends, open, let's see. And friends, here it is, the phone. You can see how it looks. You can see its weight is not more than 180 grams. It's very lightweight, you can see. But talking about its battery life, that is insane. It have 5000 and 500 of battery life. That is very massive amount it has. You can see it, flashlight, IQOO branding. And you can see it is a very matte finish color, that is gray, and titanium color. You can see its design, build quality. It is a volume rocker button, up and down. Here it is the power button, and at the bottom side you will see here it is SIM ejector tool, and here it is the microphone, the charging port, and here it is speaker. And at this side there is nothing, and at the top you will see one microphone is here. Let's open this and start this, and just agree the terms and condition, connect to the Wi-Fi. Click on next, and here it is connected, getting your phone ready. Talking about its camera, that is 50 megapixel of main Sony camera and 2 megapixel of back camera. And friends, its front camera is 16 megapixel front camera. It may take a few minutes to open. Its model is 8 GB 128 GB, but it has 256 GB option also, with extendable storage up to 8 plus 8 12 plus 12 GB. Let's skip this. Click on skip. and you have to disable all these and click on accept, click on next, choose Google, click on next. Here it is asking for set unlock method. It has three: screen lock, fingerprint and face lock. Click on skip, okay. And friends, here it is send diagnose. You have to accept, next, next, and congratulations, you are all set up. Click on get started, and friends, your phone is ready to rock. It is started. Let's check its camera quality, speaker testing and sound quality test. And you have to agree this privacy statement, allow this. You can see its picture quality also. I have taken some picture, you can see. Friends, you can see its picture quality, its back camera. You can see, you can zoom it in the full screen, and its quality is very good. And here it is front camera photo, it's very good. And let's see how much resolution it has. You have to first click on video section, then you have to open this resolution. Friends, it has 4K option also, that is good part for this mobile phone. 720 pixel at 30 fps and 60 fps, 1080 pixel at 30 fps and 60 fps, 4K option at 30 fps. That is good, you can see. And you can click on settings and click on wide, and it is in the full screen. You can see its color also, how good. And let's press back and let's check its video quality in the YouTube. You can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart. I have given in the link in the description also. First you have to write here video 4K, and you can simply play any video. And friends, you can see the quality, it is in the full screen right now. And let's check its quality from here, advanced, then this. Friends, you can see it has 4K plus HDR option also, and you can see how clear the video is. Talking about this processor of this smartphone, that is gonna be crazy. Let's open this about phone, and you can see its processor 2.5 Hz Dimensity 7300 octa core, RAM is 8 plus 8 GB with phone storage 128 GB, Android version is 14, that is a good, with Fun Touch OS 14, you can see. And you will be immersed in games. If you are playing games in this smartphone, you will get a good experience in it. Let's check its sound quality also. You have to click on this and play any of this. You can see, friends, sound quality. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the high. friends, you can see its sound quality is very good, and you can see it has 120 hertz of display refresh rate. I show you in the settings also. You have to type here refresh rate. Here it is. You can see it has 120 hertz, which create a smoother and more refined dynamics display. I hope you like this video, and then this unboxing also. If you like this unboxing, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.